welcome in to another woolly review, this time for Papatya Fluffy. Now this is clearly eyelash yarn, so more suited toward trim and embellishment, rather than what I'm going to do is giving you the sample, but you know, I've still got to give you a review. So Papatya Fluffy, the cheapest that I found this was for £2 on Neil the Knit, which of course I'll link down below as always. It is from Turkey and this is the colour 807, but we're not here for the colour, we're here for the yarn itself. 100 grams, excuse me, sorry, 33 metres, and where do we start? Something fallout, there we go, that's the way to do it. Gosh, you almost sounded like Punch and Judy then. Okay, so there's already fluff coming off of it. Now it is pretty soft, as you'd kind of hope for fluffy stuff. It is kind of soft. How this is going to work, I do not know. But it's not the first time I've tried fluffy, so we'll try. I haven't used this particular before. Definitely using the wrong size needle, hook, not needle. Let's grab a bigger one. It's not a custom hook, but you know, it might be able to grip the eyelashes a little bit better. Still too small a hook, but you know, that's not too bad. Obviously with all eyelash, when you use it, you've got to pull the eyelashes out to where you need them, and I have no clue where I'm going. I've just got to feel, because I can't see a yarn thing. So I'm only going to do one row for this because this is impossible to work with like this. But it certainly gives a really nice thick layer. Do you know what that will do for that? That will do. I can't do it. I've just got to compare it. That is pretty solid. There's so much fluff on there that is a nice solid piece, and it's only when I poke through, and that's only because I've missed two down there, but that's pretty solid. It's definitely not stretchy, and you definitely don't want to frog it. Oh heck, gotta be careful, it's going into a giveaway. There we go. There is no stretch in there whatsoever, so you won't want to put it on anything that you needed a little bit of give, because there isn't any, and you wouldn't want to frog it. No frogging. So I'm going to wind this up. Now, like I said, thankfully the fluff does indicate that it is soft. It's not super soft, but it is soft. Oh my gosh, Beanie has been on the catnip. Is it my kind of thing? No. Because when it comes to trim, I like a solid colour overall, and I do want a little bit of give in it. So for that reason, I'm not overly keen on this particular. But it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Stitch markers. Away. For the moment. Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be annoyed if that were the only eyelash yarn I could come across? Well, Not really, but do you know, because it's really quite soft, I'm gonna stretch it to 2 ladybirds and a backside. I'm doing 2.5 ladybirds for this. That's my personal preference. £2 isn't too bad for a nice amount of trim. It doesn't give, which is something that I'm not overly keen on. But you know, it's okay. I've known worse eyelash yarn. I really have. So mine is 2.5 for this week. Of course, the details are going to be down below as always. But heck, it's a Thursday review. There's going to be another one next week. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll find out. If this was any use to you whatsoever, I'm really sorry I couldn't do a full sample. But if it's any use, please give a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe down below. Tuesday tutorials. Thursdays are hush twicking and reviews, with plenty for the little bit, higgledy-piggledy here and there. Hope it's of use. Till next time, bye-bye.